Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let us imagine a moment that humans have dreamed about for thousands of years. You open the door of a spacecraft and step onto the moon. The environment feels strange instantly because the moon has no air, no wind, and no sound. The silence is complete, making the experience both peaceful and slightly unsettling, as if the entire world around you has paused in time. As you look down, the surface beneath your feet appears grey and powdery. This layer is called lunar soil or lunar regolith. It was formed over billions of years by constant meteor impacts that slowly crushed rocks into fine dust. The particles are extremely small and sharp, and they stick easily to spacesuits and equipment. Everywhere you look, the surface is covered with craters of different sizes, each one telling a story of an ancient collision that happened long before humans existed. Moving on the moon feels very different from Earth. The moon's gravity is much weaker, only about 1/6 of the gravity on Earth. Each step feels slow and light, almost like floating through the air. Jumping even a little can lift you surprisingly high off the ground, so astronauts must move carefully to stay balanced. Simple actions like walking, turning, or lifting tools suddenly feel unfamiliar and require practice. When you raise your eyes toward the sky, you notice something surprising. The sky above you is deep black, even though the sun is shining brightly. Because the moon has almost no atmosphere, sunlight does not scatter across the sky the way it does on Earth. This means the sky never turns blue, and shadows on the surface appear extremely sharp and dark, creating dramatic contrasts between bright sunlight and deep darkness. Looking toward the horizon, you see Earth hanging silently in the sky. From the moon, Earth looks much larger and far more colorful than the moon appears from Earth. Blue oceans, white clouds, and swirling weather patterns are clearly visible. Watching Earth from this distance can feel emotional, reminding astronauts how beautiful and fragile our home planet truly is. The moon also experiences extreme temperature changes. During the long lunar day, the surface can become extremely hot under direct sunlight. But during the lunar night, temperatures drop to freezing levels far colder than most places on Earth. Without an atmosphere to trap heat, these temperature swings are dramatic. Any human mission to the moon must rely on advanced spacecraft systems, insulated suits, and specialized technology to survive these harsh conditions. As you move forward across the dusty surface, you notice your footprints forming behind you. These footprints could remain there for millions of years because the moon has no wind, rain, or flowing water to erase them. In fact, the footprints left during the historic Apollo 11 mission by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin are still preserved today, frozen in time on the lunar surface. A journey to the moon is not just a physical experience, but also an emotional one. Standing on a silent world shaped by billions of years of cosmic history makes us realize how vast the universe truly is. At the same time, it reminds us how small and precious our place in the cosmos remains. Even today, scientists continue studying the moon to understand the early history of the solar system and how planets like Earth formed. Future missions may return astronauts to the moon and even build permanent bases there. The moon is not only our closest neighbor in space, but also an important stepping stone for humanity's future exploration of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our